An outbreak of COVID-19 inside Alberta's largest hospital is putting a strain on staff and patients. 3 people have now died and more than 100 healthcare workers are in self-isolation. Health officials are investigating how the virus spread. And as Heather Yourex-West explains, there are fears it may have been circulating in the hospital undetected for weeks.
When an outbreak was first declared at Calgary's Foothills hospital, officials warned the number of infections was likely to rise. They were right. Across 3 units, there are now more than 26 cases of the virus, and 3 elderly patients have died.
With increasing numbers in the community, even if it's in younger people that, for example, tend to experience less severe disease, not fully protected, but tend to be less severe, they can still be the vector that transmits the disease to an at-risk population.
Investigators still don't know how the virus got into the hospital. At Foothills, contact tracers are going back more than 2 weeks to determine a source. In the meantime, more than 100 healthcare workers have been told to isolate. Alberta Health Services says all vacancies are being covered, but those on the front lines say the entire system is feeling the pressure.
The reality is that we don't have a huge pool of skilled nursing staff, physicians, respiratory therapists, etc., just waiting to come in and fill these spots when people are put off work because of exposures.
In July, a full facility outbreak at Edmonton's Misericordia Hospital led to a complete lockdown, and for more than a month, the emergency department was closed. But that's not the case now at any of Alberta's hospitals, and this doctor says it would be more dangerous for patients if they were to delay care in order to stay away.
If you are having symptoms of heart failure, shortness of breath, or if you're having chest pain, or having symptoms of stroke, all these people should come to the hospital.
There had been 2 other hospital outbreaks in the province. One at Calgary's Peter Lougheed has just ended, while a third at Edmonton's Royal Alex has so far impacted only staff. Heather Yourex-West, Global News, Calgary.